Who's responsible for an AI-driven car accident? Can AI algorithms perpetuate biases and discrimination? These questions bring us face to face with the ethical implications of AI. We are moving into a world where machines are making decisions that have real-world consequences. For instance, consider an autonomous vehicle involved in an accident. Who is held accountable? The manufacturer, the software developer, or the car itself? Or ponder on the algorithms that sift through our data. They are designed by humans who, consciously or not, may embed their own biases into the code. This can lead to AI systems that perpetuate discrimination or unfairness. These aren't just hypothetical scenarios. They're very real issues that need our attention. It's clear that we must tread carefully and proactively in this new terrain. It's our collective responsibility to ensure that AI is developed and deployed responsibly, prioritizing human values and ethical considerations. So, is AI a friend or foe? The answer is, it depends. AI carries the potential to be a powerful tool for good, capable of improving our lives in countless ways. It can revolutionize industries, from healthcare to manufacturing, and even our everyday activities. But just as with any other tool, it's all about how we choose to wield it. The development and implementation of AI should be approached with caution. This isn't about stifling innovation, but rather about creating a balance where technology can flourish without compromising human values or societal equilibrium. Staying informed and engaged is paramount. With the rapid advancements in AI, it's easy to feel overwhelmed. But remember, we are not just passive observers in this narrative. Each of us has a role to play in shaping the future of AI. Remember, AI is a tool, and like any tool, it's up to us to use it wisely. We need to remain informed, engaged, and proactive in shaping the future of AI. It's a shared responsibility to ensure this powerful technology serves us, not the other way.